Alright, this is NT8 off the bike. The blizzard is just so friggin' horrible. I can't even ride the Barbie. Barbie's hiding under the blanket. She's being treated like a Harley. It's got an electric blanket keeping her warm. So in the meantime, we gotta walk down here because I gotta lay in some stores. Because, you know, this blizzard is really horrible. It's uphill both ways. And it's like 2 miles for me to walk to get beer. And you know, gotta get food too. Because we may not be able to get out in the morning. Because you know how Barbie is. She's a BMW. She's kind of weak on getting up and going out. Oh, that was a little slick there. Hey, look, it's starting to stick. Wow. Look at that snow. I better clean off the lens so you guys can see it. It's just coming down. It's horrid. All right. Blizzard supplies. Need a 30-pack of Keystone Light. Pack of combos. And a 20-pack of Pall Mall 100s. In the red. And that's all I need. Alright, I'm good for 30 days, dude. That's all I need. I think there's 30 combos in there. That's all I need. 30 days, 1 beer a day. Oh, look at this. I better put the face shield down. We don't want to get none of this snow in my eyes. I might go snowblind. Alright, here we go. This box is getting heavy. I better switch hands. Put the combos in that hand. Oh, wait a minute. It's getting heavy in that hand. Better switch back. Man, this is hard school. I should have done this before the storm. Actually, I should have fired up the truck. Oh, we gotta stop again. I gotta change hands. This is wearing me out. Man. Hey, you know, all my smoking, I just can't fucking breathe anymore. Oh, time to change hands. I think I'm gonna die. 3 more houses. Nope, it's getting a little slick out here. Man, they need to salt the sidewalk. And what's Barbie doing? Barbie's hiding under her electric blanket like a Harley. Man, this is tough. Alright. Thanks for going with me. And know the NT8's good to go. He's got his pack of combos, 30-pack of beer, and 40 of his best friends. That would be the Pall Mall guys. You know, wherever particular people congregate. All right, later on.